Hey, what's happening, folks? Nick with Ernst Media, and today I'm going to walk you through how to create and install Google Analytics 4 for your website. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is navigate over to Google Analytics, analytics.google.com, and you're going to want to make sure that you're on the appropriate account. And it's okay at this point if you don't have a Google Analytics 4, just go to your legacy Universal Analytics, and it's going to look something like this. You'll have a UA-number. So make sure you're on the right one. This one we don't have an Analytics 4 created, so I'll use this as an example. And when you click on it, just like I did over here, click on the property, click on the view, it could be all website data there. You're going to see this screen, and you're going to see right in the top middle the GA4 Setup Assistant. Now, this is where you're going to go if you don't already have one created, a Google Analytics 4 property, and this is what you'll do to get started. You can click here, and in fact, we can just click to connect, and this will create us a property. And in fact, I'll just do that right now so you can see what that looks like. So perfect. Now we have a property ID right here, and we go to Google Analytics 4. I'm going to go to it because just creating it doesn't actually get it on your website. We still need to now create what's called the data stream. So it's going to walk you through it. There is no connect. We have it automatically connected to our old property, but we don't have anything set up from a data collection standpoint. So we want to click over here to get started. And that's what we're going to do. There's a couple of ways to get to that. Over here on the left-hand side, you'll see data streams. And now we're in our new GA4 account. And this is what we're going to do, is we're going to click on this, and we're going to grab the measurement ID that we just created. Again, this was just automatically created when we were prompted to create this account. And this is the measurement ID that we'll use to place in Google Tag Manager or directly via the CMS, whatever setup you have on your particular website. So we can just go ahead and copy that. We go over to our Google Tag Manager. Again, we've already got it here, but just for example's sake, we can say GA4 for this one, and we'll just make a new tag. And this is GA4 configuration. You click that right there, and this is exactly where I'm pasting the measurement ID. And so we would obviously trigger this on all pages, and at that point we would save and update, and that's the GA4 tag. So that's how you do it if you don't already have a analytics property created. Now, let's assume you do have a property created, but a stream has never been added. Let's go back to see what that would look like. Let's go over here, and we'll go here. This one obviously has it already, but say we needed to make a new stream. Say this data stream wasn't here, and we had a GA4 account. You'll be able to find this in the same spot as the legacy analytics. You'll click into the account, and you'll see data streams in this little column here. You'll click on that data stream, and again, you can just click to add data stream. In this case, it's a new data stream, and you would set it up, you would put your website, you would follow the prompts, and you would click create stream, and that would also create that new number for you to place via Google Tag Manager. So that sums it up. That's how you create a Google Analytics account, GA4, and tie it to your Universal Analytics account. But I would always recommend navigating to your Universal Analytics like we did here. Go to your regular analytics account, the universal one, and then again, use this GA4 Setup Assistant that you find there at the top. That's going to be the easiest way to do it. Thanks so much.